All right, so today's video is really going to be kind of vlog style. I kind of catch up where we're at with the truck and some of the things we're doing to it. And then a lot of good improvements, what we're doing. Anyway, let me show you what we're doing here. And, well, we'll talk a little more about what we got coming up in the near future. All right, so working on the floors in here. So all of this is new. So that's all patched. Patch is over there. Got everything painted. And then I got to get the new seat belts in. We're looking at doing a 3-point. That's more for the wife. Painted that because I got playing here is there's a ledge here. So I'm going to make a little piece that goes in here. And then I'm going to just upholster a top piece that goes in here. And I'll just make it screw in. And then just like we're going to do with the floor, we'll put some of that sound deadener in here and I'll show you that. Got the little gauges all hooked back up. Got to take out the shifter. That's easy, so I can get the hump back in there. And then all the flooring back in. So all the new bracketry's in to hold the thing up because that was all gone. So that's all in. Lower half the motor mount, yeah, lower half the new cab mounts are in. Not some of my best welding. We were having some issue with little Lincoln I have. It was my dad's welder. I can't seem to part ways with it, so I got it all fixed up. It was having an issue where the spool was getting tight, and then, so it's not feeding properly, and it caused some, well, not so nice welds. It's definitely not the Miller, right? So. And I didn't want to do it with flux core because then you got to clean all that slag out of there. So, All right, so then I got to put all the sound deadener in it. I can't wait for this to see how this is going to work out. So we're going to try a little bit of this. And I even bought a little of this stuff from Amazon. So we'll see how that works. That's blue, by the way. I got to roll all that stuff out. And then, well, get the seat back in. And then we got to get the seat back in, and we got the new vinyl coming in. It's kind of neat, though, because the cab's looking a lot better now. So it's a little more even in through here. Right? I got to sand the mud. I patched that. Eventually, all this is coming out, too, but... a little at a time. So that's all got to come out so I can fix that rocker. But I got a new seal for this, and I have the gentleman I bought this from had a slider for the back. I think Duke would like ducking his head out that, so we're gonna do that. And little things, I got the dome light working, and then slowly reworking this rat nest that was wiring. Pedal assembly there, got to reseal all that up. It was a hose clamp holding the steering column in place, so trying to redo all that, welded up all these holes in the floors. There was a ton of holes, and obviously this was all numbered rot. Alright, so I also found out what some of this, never could figure what the switch does, and I never had a dome light, but once I figured out where that wires went for that, because in this rat nest of a fuse box that eventually got to replace, it would always blow. So now we got us a dome light. Also redid all the gauge lights. I actually put a plug on there, so thanks to a friend of mine, Bill, suggested using plugs, which is a good idea. Now we got plugs and we got lights for everything. Redid this is for electric fuel pump, which I never can figure out why is there, but that works. And then high lows that go back in once I roll everything out in here. I want to put a set of those hella lights like I've got on the Jeep there on the front. So, let me know what you guys think. And we got rid of the old filler neck. So that's all gone. Welded up a bunch of holes in the doors and everything. And I gotta sand this and just prime it. It's not perfect, but you know, she's no rig. It's okay. All right, so that's the update for the old Jeep. Let me know where you think those Hella lights ought to go. I've got an extra set from when we was working with Hella. I think it'd be pretty cool. There's always a chance maybe put the light bars behind the grill. But a little truck update. Hope you enjoy this kind of stuff. Looking forward to start the content on the Meteor and the Comet. I think those would be pretty cool. Anyway, it's hot. It's real hot. As always, you know, we just crossed over 1.4 million views. For some channels, it ain't much. But you know what? I always enjoy everybody who watches our videos. And I really love the comments. It may not be a huge channel, but I love the interaction. I don't do this for a living. I do it because I enjoy the interaction. I enjoy, you know, working on everything. And it forces me to do projects. So that's thanks to you guys for watching it and pushing me along too. So thanks for viewing, and see you up here for the next video.